in a symmetrical figure, as it is in the case 4 into 4, to find the number of squares or rectangles is never a problem, because number of squares will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, and number of rectangles will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. Now that will not create a problem, but if it is not symmetrical, as in this case 4 into 5, still the number of rectangles will not be a problem, because the number of rectangles, to get a rectangle we need two horizontal lines. And how many horizontal lines we are having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are having 5 horizontal lines, and out of that we need 2. So that can be done in 5C2 ways. That should intersect with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are having 6 vertical lines. So 2 horizontal lines should intersect with 2 vertical lines to form a rectangle. Now we are having 6, we need 2. The number of rectangles is never a problem in any case, either it's symmetrical or unsymmetrical, but the problem will be when it is about number of squares in unsymmetrical case. Now just focus here, number of squares. Now smaller squares will be 4 into 5, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there are 4 into 5, but 2 will be checked here. This is the first one. Let's name them A, B, C, D is the first one. Now just come label down. Let's bring them A, B, C, D. One more, A, B, C, D. So horizontally we have 3, and vertically we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is nothing but 3 into 4. See, ये एक कम हो गया, ये भी एक कम हो गया. अभी क्या होगा? 2 into 3. क्यों 2 into 3? देखो 3 वाला ये हो गया 1, ये हो गया दूसरा, ये हो गया तीसरा, ये चौथा, ये पांचवा और ये छठा. 2 into 3 is 6. और एक कम 1 into 2. 1 into 2 मतलब 4 वाला, ये हो गया 1 और ये दूसरा. दैट्स इट. और तो स्क्वायर बनेगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि स्क्वायर मैक्सिमम स्क्वायर के लिए सिमेट्रिकल चाहिए, और एक अगर 4 है, दूसरा मैक्सिमम 4 तक ही जा सकता है. दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स in case of unsymmetry.